In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can make a FaceTime group video call on the iPhone 15 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on your home screen, start FaceTime. Next, in FaceTime, tap on New FaceTime. Tap on the green button at the top here. Next, we're going to add in the people that you want to start the FaceTime video call. So here we can tap on that. So tap and add in all the contacts that you want to include in the group video call. After that, tap on FaceTime and we will start to call the other people. So here, once other people join. So once you got all the other people join, you can see there is a tile here displaying all the different participants in your FaceTime video call. So here we got me in here, and we got me again in the bottom here. So that is how you can start a group video call in FaceTime. Once you are in a group, you can capture photos. If they have grant permission, you can capture in that group of that person. So you can share the screen. So in your group, you can share the screen with them. You can share your screen, or you can share the music that you're listening to, or you can collaborate by sharing notes, reminders, Safari, and files. If you want, you can also add in more participants. So if you tap on the information button at the top here, and then tap on Add People, this will allow you to add in more participants. So you can tap on the Add button and select a contact from your contacts list, or you can manually put in their phone number or email address. And that is how you can also add in more people. Once you put in their details, just tap on the Add People button. And sorry, I'm just going to tap on Done to finish that. And in here, if we tap on the information button again, there are other things that you can do. You can share a link, you can turn on live captions, and you can also silence join request. So I'm just going to tap on that. If you want, you can also leave this FaceTime group by tapping on the leave button. And that's it. So once you're in your FaceTime, you can open up your screen. This is your camera here. You can rotate your camera to front or back, and you can add in effects. So you can add in the effects using the button there. You can write on your FaceTime camera or on your windows, so you can move the text around. And on their device, this is what it looks like on their device right there. So this is what it looks like on the device. And this is you. So at the moment we have two participants, so we have two tiles. With FaceTime group video call, you can add up to 32 participants. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So here I'm just going to tap on the end button to finish the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.